Hello everyone again, I am DarKalligraph, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do 3-dimensional calligraphy. I know that sounds pretty hard, but trust me, it's actually really easy. It's basically just adding a shadow. There's a bit more to it than that, but that's basically what it is. I'm going to be writing first of all the word shadow, fittingly, in Fracture, which I recently learnt. If you haven't seen that video, I suggest you go see it. It was really fun trying it. I will put it in the little card at the top. Anyways, back to the video. So, I'm going to be, first of all, adding a little drop shadow type thing on the bottom left with a pencil. That's going to be the darkest layer, and then I'm going to shade a little bit, maybe like half a centimeter at max, but only a tiny bit from there. I'll tell you why in the next clip. As you can see, I'm going to use my finger to now, in a downwards motion, I'm going to spread the shading out. It creates that kind of smooth texture that shadows have, as you can see by the shadow cast by my hand. It's not rough, it's more smooth. Cover anything up or over smudge it, because as you can see now I'm going back with an eraser and rubbing out anywhere where light would shine through, basically. And voila, it is done. Just gonna write calligraphy and then we have a finished piece. And with the power of photo editing, boom, it's finished. Now I'm going to be applying all the things that I've taught you in another piece. I'm not really going to explain anything here, so, well, that's my commentary gone. Enjoy the time lapse, everyone. And that is all, everyone. Thank you all for watching. I hope you either enjoyed it or learned from it or something. That's my goal. Thank you, have a nice day, goodbye.